Hello everyone, welcome to Insights IAS. I am Manjunath, faculty for Polity and Governance. I am sure you guys would have checked your prelims scores by now. We are expecting cutoff to be in the range of 80 to 85, considering that both GS-1 as well as CSAT have been relatively difficult compared to 2024. Now for those who are in the safe zone, congratulations, start preparing for your mains very early. So because you have less than 80 days from now. For those who are getting relatively less scores, tough luck for you guys. However, you guys should start preparing for mains from now itself so that by December you will be mains ready. Considering this in mind, we are coming up with intensive bridge course for GS-2 paper from June 2nd. If you look at GS-2 syllabus, superficially it looks like very broad and vague. However, if you take a deeper analysis of the PYQs, we can identify certain core themes like federalism, SHG, Panchayat Raj, important Supreme Court judgment, major current affairs in news from which UPSC regularly keeps asking questions from. On an average, 12 to 15 questions in GS2 paper keeps getting repeated from the same old themes. Now, another important point you have to keep it in mind is that in the recent few years, GS2 has been relatively high score fetching paper. A lot of our students have scored 110 plus, even 120 plus. Now, if you start preparing GS2 by yourself, absolutely it is possible. However, it will take relatively more time. And you have to focus on other GS paper plus essay plus optionals too. Hence, we will be focusing on completing entire GS2 paper within 10 days. In this course, we will be focusing on 4-pillared approach. Firstly, we will be focusing on the deeper analysis of the PYQs to identify the core themes. And then we will focus on handwritten notes so that it will be very handy for you for your mains preparation as well as revision. Then third, we will be focusing on 360-degree coverage of the important current affairs in news from at least 1.5 to 2 years. And then most importantly, we'll be focusing on the live answer writing session in which you will be made to write at least 2 to 3 answers in the class every single day. Remember, mains is the real game. You guys believe in your ability. We are here to help you. Let's meet on June 2nd.